Perfect! Okay, so wali mi ka for the green light. So
kini lang sa amo.
kanila mo. Ang akong kuan, light director.
Light director slash katabang. Mora gid na siya.
Okay, mga tog nita kay 4 hours ra. So good night. See you tomorrow. Hi! So this is our room for tonight, for this morning. It's already 1 a.m. Oh, sigo mi diri tolo. Pwede siya actually og 5, 4. Oh, pwede ra.
Pero magtindog.
Pero magtindog siya, beshi. We still have 4 hours to rest to see the sunrise. Antay nagmakamata mi.
Yes.
Mag-alarm mi og what time ang sunrise? OMG.
The next day.
Good morning. Ayun, sorry sa face. I just woke up. Wake up, beauty rest. Time check. It's 5:30. Guys, there's not so much clouds. Gusto ka mahinoktok, mahinuso sa mga sala. Doon lang siya.
Hi. Doon lang mo kay sa tamo dito. Sa pang.
Ayun. So, muna mo view, morning view. And we're taking order for our breakfast.
Don't worry.
Nag-video ko. Video day siya. Eat! While waiting for our breakfast, gipanggutom na akong mga friend. Laban, besh!
Production number. Nabuha.
Karon, mega. Asa na kumustahan? Kumusta ilang sleep?
Kumusta nga ilang sleep?
Ay, sa kanisa.
Wala ka lusot.
Buhak ng lubi. Buhak ng lubi.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Ano na mali man pagkuan?
Sana all.
Ikaw, kamusta yung night?
Ang charot.
A few moments later.
Breakfast is ready! Let's eat! Hi! Sa room tour, This is their glamping Nipa hut. So this is worth 600 pesos. This one without door is 500 pesos. Good for 2 to 3 persons. Ayun. And up there is the camping site.
Naliog na ko, ma'am.
Ayun. Is our room. So there is a small ceiling fan, an outlet, and portable light. Okay, so ayun. Sakto may dirito lo. Hi! So, I'll tour you in my farm. So, wala ko alipin.
Hi! Ang mga alipin sa igilid.
Okay, so if you have a partner or kauban niyo mo imo uyab, ouch. So this is a perfect spot for a couple picture. Sa mga single, okay lang. Laban pa rin ang puso.
Yes.
See, so that is the heart. Ayun, so I think we are done at Alicia's Ridge. We're going down right now and heading to the next adventure.